In this episode of me working on my 1999 Mitsubishi Montero, I'm actually going to be cleaning up the interior of the car, which is something I've been meaning to do because it's the grossest thing ever. Every single time I go inside the car, I get really grossed out. And I decided, let's take care of that. So in this video, what you're going to see is I'm going to be cleaning up all of the clothes, putting them into garbage bags, take all the big items and keeping them if they're helpful and throwing them away if they're trash. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of the seats out of the car. This is going to make it easier to vacuum out and clean the entire car, especially since this is a one-owner car and I don't think they've ever taken the seats out or vacuumed the car. So there is so much stuff, as in dirt, underneath these seats. So we need to get those seats out so we can start cleaning up this car. After I take the seats out, I'm going to be vacuuming the car. I want to clean up the car so that I can work on it and not be grossed out. Then in a future episode, I'm going to take the carpet out. We can get all that mold out of the car because it's not good to keep that in the car while we're breathing that in. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this episode. You know, we could donate these clothes. We don't have to throw them away. That way somebody else, that's not as fortunate can have some. I mean, it's really greasy, but I think that's what I'll do. I'll donate these clothes. Yeah, let's put these aside here. This is what is this, a jersey? Is this brand new? Oh, no, it's not. So I got some jersey here. And a Nissan jacket. We'll go and donate those. I found these kids' water guns new in the package and I thought instead of throwing them away, why don't I just donate them? So you guys saw the before, but let me show you the after of taking out the seats, cleaning the carpet, and just getting rid of all that gunk that was in this car, making it so gross. Of course the carpet is still gross and nasty because it's stained, but that's besides the point because I'm going to rip the carpet out and replace it. But this is what the Montero looks like with no seats and a nice clean carpet. This is my makeshift driver's seat, by the way. Because there's nothing, how else would I drive the car? I'm not going to drive standing up. That's weird and awkward. So makeshift bucket as a seat. But yeah, very good. I still have this bracket here that is rusted to the car. Can't get it off. I'll figure that out. But I'm so happy because now the car is clean. It's not as gross. Now I just need to work on taking out the center console, cleaning that up because that is filthy, and then taking out this carpet. But you saw that before, and here is the after. Very pleased with the way it turned out.